closed.
This is Kevin from our Philippine Adventure. We're here at the Palenque this morning in Bolinao. This is the bottom part, all the dried fish, different kinds of dried fish, so many different kinds, and morning, lots of fish. Just wanted to show you, they dry the smaller fish, it's called danget. It's a dried fish, smoked fish, different kinds of fish. So I don't care for it myself, but the Filipinos love it. Morning. Very friendly people here. All sorts of goods. This is tricycle department. That's where the tricycles park to take people to wherever they want to go. So anyway, that's just a quick view here of the Palenque. Now I'll go upstairs again. I don't know what that stuff is. YouTube, you're popular. Morning. Slow down. My wife gets mad at me because I do it too fast. So I need to slow down my video movement. She says I'm too fast. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Little different view of another part of the Palenque. Went to get my motorcycle serviced today, but the mechanic is not there today, so I have to bring it back next week. Where's my microphone? Wait.